The topic of this video is how to practice English on the road while walking. So now this is my village and today I am very happy. Not just today, every time, every day I am happy. And in this whole video and in many of my upcoming videos, I will teach you how you can practice English on the road. Hi बोलो इधर.
Hi.
हाथ हिलाकर हाय बोलना जाता है. हाथ हिलाकर बोल. हाँ. Okay. So he said hi and I'm moving ahead, and the moment he saw me, that little kid, he said, "Hello sir, technologia." Then I replied to him by saying, "Yeah, technologia." Some kids, they start smiling when they look at me and they start uttering one word, and that is technologia. So now I'm moving ahead. So this is my village and it is afternoon time, and I decided to be real, authentic, whatever I am. You can see this is me. This is my reality, the way I look and everything. So I'm just walking, and while walking I have to make a lot of sentences and I have to train myself. I have to learn how I can speak and how I can do ground reporting. When a reporter comes on the ground and starts speaking, starts making comments about the things that are happening in the ground or on the ground, so that reporter is called a that reporter is called a ground reporter. Okay, so I'm not a ground reporter, but I'm just a ground speaker who speaks on the ground. So now I'm moving ahead. This grandfather, okay, I was saying ground. This grandfather came and I just thought that I should just stay here for some seconds. I spent some some seconds of my life, and in the future I will ask him a lot of questions, but not now because I am not speaking Hindi now. So the moment I feel like speaking Hindi in the future, if I make videos in Hindi videos, then I will talk to him a lot. I will ask him questions about his life also. Now I'm moving ahead. I'm going to the next place. So I'm going to say something about that grandfather. Okay, when he saw me, what might he be thinking? He might be thinking that who is he? Which language is he speaking? Or I don't know what he's saying, but I spent some seconds of my life there with him, so maybe he may have understood that, oh, this boy is speaking English. It is English. So now what should I say? And this is my first time. Actually, I'm holding this tripod with my left hand, and just after 2 to 3 minutes, I can say that right after 2 to 3 minutes, I have started feeling pain in my left hand. So I'm going to change my hand, and now I'm gonna hold my phone with, not the phone, I'm gonna hold my tripod with my right hand and this mic with my left hand. So I was talking about ground reporting. The moment I started talking near that grandfather, at that time I was talking about ground reporting. It is hard, but not impossible. Ground reporting is hard. People need courage to report on the ground, to make comments in public, to speak in public, whether in Hindi or in English. Okay, people find it hard to do ground reporting. And how can it be easy? Like how can you become good at reporting on the ground? When you report a lot on the ground, you become a good ground reporter. So सड़क पर आ चुके हैं, ग्राउंड पर आ चुके हैं, और घूम घूम कर जो है हम सेंटेंसेस को बना रहे हैं, रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं. किसकी? अपने विचारों की रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं. आई एम रिपोर्टिंग माई थॉट्स. वॉट एवर थिंग्स आर कमिंग, वॉट एवर सेंटेंसेज आई कैन मेक इन इंग्लिश, आई एम मेकिंग दो सेंटेंसेज, आई एम मेकिंग कमेंट्स, एंड दिस इज माई सेल्फ ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई थॉट्स. I have to train myself, make myself better than I am. I have to polish myself, and only I can do that. Nobody else will come to help me. Nobody else will come to motivate me. Nobody else will come to train me. Nobody else will come to say that I have to do this or that. So I'm doing, and I will do it every day, in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the night. Whenever I find myself free, I will speak. I will make sentences. At this time, I'm doing two things. The first thing is I'm walking. I'm happy that I'm walking. The second thing is I am speaking. I'm speaking in front of the camera. The third thing is I'm speaking English. Means I'm practicing. Speaking is something that I like a lot, and I never get tired of doing this thing. So if you want to live your life, find something while doing which you do not get tired. Then you can live your life. Then you will have a happy life, a good life. So now I can see shadow, and in this shadow I'm feeling like stopping for some minutes, but I cannot do that. I don't have to stop because I have to go somewhere. Now I have started feeling pain in my right hand too, so I'm gonna change my hand and I'm gonna hold this mobile with my left hand. Now I have come to this place and now I want to change my way. I want to go through that way, so now I'm moving ahead and I want to walk more. So I'm just going, I'm walking. So yesterday I want to talk about this area. Yesterday in the evening around 4 p.m. I came and there were some old men. They wanted me to record their video. They wanted to say some shairi or some jokes or some stories. They wanted to just say something, but actually I was in the rush. I wanted to go to another place to shoot my videos yesterday, so I politely said no to them and I just went to another place to talk to some other people. If I had done that also, if I wanted, I could have done that also. I could have talked to those people also, but I didn't desire, I didn't want to talk to those people, so I didn't, and I missed a chance. Whenever I go to different places, I get a lot of chances to talk to people, to shoot videos, to learn from their lives, to interview them, and to make myself better, to add value in my life. This world is full of values. This world is full of people who are smarter than you, better than you. So you have to know this thing, acknowledge this thing, that their life also has a lot of values. You can learn from their life, and you can learn from their life only when you talk to them a lot, and you can talk to them a lot only when you're free. And how can you be free? You can be free only when you prioritize yourself, only when you prioritize being free for talking to the people around you. So make it a priority, be free, talk to the people around you, and learn life lessons from them. Listen to their stories, listen to their thoughts, their mindsets, their beliefs. What do they want to do? What do they want to say? What are the problems in their life? Why are they not doing anything in their life? Why are they not moving ahead in their life? You will understand all these things only when you talk to them, only when you spend some minutes of your life, some time of your life with them. The more you talk to the people, the more life lessons you will gain. And after learning all those life lessons, you can apply those life lessons in your life, and your life can become great. Your life can become meaningful, inspiring, better. So I was saying that this world is full of values. This world is full of blessings. This world is full of beautiful people. This world is full of great people. All you need to do is to talk to them, is to be with them. All you need to do is to spend time with them. When you talk to them and when you spend time with them, you learn from them and you become greater than all those people. So there is one thing, not one thing, there are so many things that I want to tell you, but now one thing that I want to say, that is you have to pay the price. Everything has a price. Nothing is free in this world. So if you want to learn some life lessons from them, you have to spend your time with them. You have to talk to them. Only when you talk to them, you can learn some life lessons from those people. And now I want to say that now in 2025 or 2026 or 2027, 28, 29 or 2030, maybe even in 2030, it would be a new thing for some people to see somebody shooting the video or to see somebody shooting the films. But after that, it will become a normal thing to speak in the public, to make videos. Imagine 15 years ago, in 2010. In 2010, was it a new thing for people to make videos and to record their own videos, sing songs? The number of singers has increased in the last some years. The number of heroes has increased in the last some years. The number of teachers has also increased in the last some years, in the last 5 to 10 years. The number of content creators has also increased a lot. And day by day, it is becoming normal for people to be content creators. It is not a hard thing and not a new thing. So, even now, some people, they are giving some moments, some seconds of their life to me, and they are staring me. Imagine these people, all these women, all these girls and boys, imagine them after 10 years in 2035. What would they be doing? They wouldn't be looking at you when you make contents or when you make videos. It would be a normal thing for them, right? So you have to understand this thing, whatever is happening, that this world is becoming more and more competitive day by day, and the great things which are considered to be great will not be considered great. Things which are considered to be great shall not be considered great after some days or some months or some years. So if you are a great person today, maybe after 10 years your greatness will be of no use. If you are a smart person today, maybe after 10 to 15 years your smartness will be of no use. You can be great only in the present. You can be smart only in the present, but not in the future. You don't know what's going to happen in the future. Just now I said that ground reporting. I want to learn ground reporting. I want to learn how to speak in public. Actually, it is not that I want to learn. Actually, I have been doing it for the last many years. So it must not be considered a new thing or a great thing. It is considered, and it must be considered a normal thing for me and for everybody. It is not a big thing to speak in public. So now I'm still walking. I've spent many minutes of my life, and I hope that today you learned from me and you learned how you can practice English in public, how you can practice Hindi in public, how you can speak Hindi or English in public. It is not hard, it is easy. And now I'm going to the house of one of my students because I have to talk to them now. I don't make anybody's videos without any reason, and I don't force anybody to be in my video. A girl was asking me to make a video of another girl, but I told her that I do not force anybody. I do not force anybody to be in my video. So I said this thing to that girl. So now I'm going to the house of my another student, and here I will try to talk to some people also. And if people don't come to talk to me, I will talk to myself right here. Okay. Technology. Hi, bolo idhar se. Okay, bye. They said hi and bye. So now I have to talk to some people, so I'm going to pause this video, and after maybe 2 to 3 minutes I will again start speaking a lot, and in this duration of 2 to 3 minutes I will get a chance to practice. I will get a chance to rest also. Idhar hi bolo to.
Hi.
Idhar bolo hi.
Hi.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Suruchi Kumari.
Okay, and what is your father's name?
My father's name is Rajesh Rai.
Okay, you can see these people. I'm going to talk to them, and these people are going to tell me their names. What is your name?
My name is Krishna Kumar.
Okay, name.
Amardeep Kumar.
Okay, come to you. I will talk to you. I will ask you only your name. I will ask you only the questions. Come here, stand here, and I will ask you only one question, and that question is very easy, and that question is, what is your name?
My name is Ronak Kumar.
Very good, Radhik Kumar. I'm proud of you. Good boy, okay? If those people want, I can talk to those people also. And now is the time for me to depart from this place. And for the last 17 to 18 to 20 minutes, I've been teaching you how to practice English, or how to speak English, or how to make sentences on the ground. Okay, नाम बोल दो बोलो.
Aryan Kumar.
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छे. Speak your name. He spoke his name, and he's gonna. Well, there was one more kid who wanted to be in my video. Come. Hi, bol hi.
Hi.
Okay. नाम बोलो. What is your name?
Ulina.
What is your name?
Ulindan.
So he didn't tell me his name because he didn't understand my question. So I'm gonna shoot for the next 10 more minutes, and I think that I will not get tired, and it is a great way for me and for all of us, for everybody to practice English. So there is a kid, and not just one kid, he is walking with his brother, and he is asking his brother that, is this something to make videos? Then his elder brother says, yeah, this is something by which we make videos. And I didn't reply because his brother had already replied. To his question, so I didn't say anything, and the reply was correct, that the thing which is in my hand, that thing is for recording videos and for making videos. Now I'm moving ahead, and he thinks that the back camera is on, but it's not like that. The front camera is on. Some people think that the back camera of my mobile is on, but it is not like that. The front camera of my mobile is on, and I'm recording my own video. I am doing self-reporting at this time. I really enjoy reporting on the ground. I love doing this thing, and not just I, many people love doing this thing. Many people love to speak in the public because it gives us a different type of feeling, a sense of achievement also. So after 20 minutes of ground reporting, I'm happy that I reported on the ground. I did ground reporting. In the beginning of this video, I was talking about that ground reporting. I have done that, and now I am just walking and making some more sentences. So when am I going to upload this video? I am going to upload this video right now. I will go from here and I will go to a peaceful place. And so that lady was saying that what he is speaking, I don't understand his language. That lady was talking about me in Hindi. What is he speaking while going, man? I don't understand. I don't know what he is speaking. I'm truly unable to understand what he is speaking in his video. What that man is uttering tirelessly. When he speaks English fast, alright, no problem. It doesn't matter. What matters is motivation. Do I have motivation? Yeah, I do. I do have the motivation. I do have the desire to. I'm going to talk to these people. And what is your name?
मनीष कुमार.
Okay. What is your name?
गोरकी ना
Gorki. वाह. क्या?
गोरकी
Gorki. Okay. Very good, Gorki girl. Girl or boy? This is a girl or a boy? This is a girl or boy?
Boy.
Okay, he's a boy. And what उसका नाम?
विराट कुमार.
But he said Gorki. Why? Gorki क्यों बोला? Okay. No problem. Moving ahead, he just said that his name is Gorki. But in fact, it was not a girl. It was a boy. In this video, I taught you how you can practice English on the ground or how to practice English on the road. I have taught you. And on which channel should I upload this video? Okay, on my vlogging channel. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. My vlogging channel which is in English. On that channel I'm gonna upload this one. Okay. मेरी सुबह हो तुम ही और तुम ही शाम हो, तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो, जन्म 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 साथ चलना यूं ही, कसम तुझे कसम आके मिलना यूं ही. Oh my God, there was a dog and the dog was sleeping. The dog was sleeping. I was about to put my step on the dog. Thankfully, I didn't touch that dog. Otherwise, something wrong or something unexpected would have happened with me if I had touched that dog with my leg. If I had put a step on that dog. But thankfully I saw that the dog was sleeping and I didn't put step on the dog.